Hey guys, welcome back to 365 Days of SEO. This is Christian Bullock. Today we're talking about a technical SEO topic, and that is how to configure your website for the best mobile experience possible. So why is having a mobile experience on your website a good thing? Well, some studies have shown that over 50% of local searches happen on a mobile device. So on a mobile device, 50% of those searches have a local type intent with their query. But that being said, we all know the rise of mobile phones. People are using the mobile phones more so than traditional desktops and laptop computers. So it's really important for your website to be optimized for a mobile experience. And really, I look at three things whenever I'm optimizing a website for mobile experience. The first one, which is critically important, is page load speed. So as we're seeing people with shorter attention spans, you need to have a web page that loads up super quick. In fact, on a desktop, if someone clicks on a search result, if it doesn't load up within a couple seconds, I'm out of there. Mobile device, even less. So you really need to make sure that your web page is up to snuff when it comes to loading in a very fast and efficient manner. And I actually use Google's tool to optimize page load speeds. I'll have a link in this blog post. Critically important to address those issues, warnings, etc. The second thing that I really like to do when it comes to optimizing for mobile is get involved in the development process and really look to design for mobile first. So Carrie, who's one of my colleagues, works for MKG Marketing Inc. with me, is our website designer on staff, and she 100% always creates and develops a website for the mobile experience first, because she finds that that's more important, and it's easier to go for mobile friendly and then expand it out to obviously people with laptops or big desktop screens. So really important that you get in to the design process and make sure that you're really telling the developer, hey, we need to develop this website so it's mobile friendly first. Then we can worry about expanding it and having a really good user experience for a desktop or laptop user. And then the last thing I like to do is recommend a very responsive website design. And we've all seen that, right? So if you go to a web page and you drag your browser window and you make it smaller, everything kind of crams in and it looks really, really good. And if you take the browser window and you open it up a little bit more, it kind of spaces out. And that's responsive web design, meaning it's responsive to however your screen resolution is configured. Critically important, again, if you're on a mobile device, you don't want the person having a fragmented experience and scrolling left and right, having to read your entire page. No, it should respond to the screen resolution on the mobile device and configure the web page in a way that a mobile user would find very friendly, which is this thing, right? So those are my three ways that you can really look to optimize for mobile SEO performance. If you do all this stuff, search engines recognize this. In fact, Google just started recently putting a mobile-friendly tag and assigning that for websites that they feel would be good fits for people that are on a mobile device. And that shows in the search engine result page. And a result that has one of those little tags next to it versus one that doesn't can have a very big drastic effect on click-through rate or tap-through rate, I guess you should say, when it comes to mobile and tablets. So that's how you really look to optimize for mobile. Again, my name is Christian Bullock, 365daysofseo.com. We'll see you guys tomorrow.